Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Pahyana with NPM 2410103034 from Management Study Program. In this video, I want to tell about my pastime and activities. Last week, my boyfriend and I decided to go to Malioboro at night. We had planned to go at 5 p.m., but it was raining heavily that day, so we had a discussion and decided to go when the rain stopped. At 6:30 p.m., it was no longer raining, so we decided to go. I got ready and waited for my boyfriend to pick me up. We set out on a motorbike, and we traveled about an hour and a half. Arriving at Malioboro Street, we decided to find the nearest parking lot. After finding and parking, we walked through the Malioboro Terrace. Even though it was raining, there were still many people passing by. While walking, I saw and was interested in the Malioboro haunted house. I was hesitant at first, but finally decided to try it out of curiosity. The entrance fee for the haunted house is Rp 35,000 for walking and 25,000 for the ghost car. My boyfriend and I prefer to walk to make it more challenging. Before entering the area, we made a payment at the counter. Payment can be made through cash or non-cash. After paying, we were allowed to walk to the entrance, where there was a card explaining the do's and don'ts when entering the haunted house. We waited for about 4 minutes because before us there was a group who was inside. When the guard informed us that it was empty inside, we entered the haunted house. When we entered, it was very quiet and dark. There were only curtain and creepy decoration. We walked through the track by looking at the direction. After about 2 minutes passing up and down stairs, we met the officer and directed to enter the second room. The atmosphere began to be tense. Soon there were many voices and forms of ghosts that were quite creepy. I closed my eyes while remembering the official word at the front that if we were afraid and ran away, the ghost would catch us. Finally, I walked slowly while numbling not to be afraid. We were required to follow the black curtains. After about 6 minutes inside, we found the exit and there were many people who had left the haunted house. After exiting the haunted house, we walked some more and found a shop selling keychains. I was interested and bought one. After that, we decided to go home because it was already late and drizzling. While walking to the motorbike park, we took several pictures. Arriving at the parking lot, we got on the motorbike and drove leisurely because when we passed the 0 km point of Jogja, there were many people watching the concert. We felt hungry and decided to eat fried rice. After about 20 minutes of eating, we continued our journey home. The road was not too crowded and a little drizzly. In about 1 hour, we arrived at my boarding house and then my boyfriend went home.